How to book multiple stops on Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can book multiple stops or how you can add multiple stops on Uber. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. You want to simply open up your Uber application and you should get an interface somewhat like this. Now since it's unavailable in my region, here I have turned off my location, but here you can see enter pickup point option on the right, and beside it you can see there now option where you can see a little clock timer icon there. You want to simply tap on that particular option, and once you do so, here you want to set your pickup time, and once you set up your pickup time, here you want to tap on set pickup time option. Now once you do so, you can say pickup location option. Here you want to set your pickup location here, and once you do so, here once you select your pickup location, you can see the add icon, plus icon at the right hand side of the screen. You want to simply tap on it and you'll be able to add a stop here. Now once you add a stop here, you can see there are two different options here to add two different stops. Now you can add multiple stops option, you can see popping up here. Now I'm having trouble here showing because it's not available in my region, but if it is in your region, you won't have this problem, and you can see you'll be able to add multiple stops. So this way you can book multiple stops on Uber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.